Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a back to school makeup look. It's gonna be really easy, really simple, natural looking, for those of you who don't like to wear a whole lot of makeup but you do still want to look kind of polished and put together and things like that. So first I'm gonna go ahead and start with primer. I like this Master Prime by Maybelline. It's really good and it's really hydrating. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but all of these are going to be drugstore so that they're affordable for you guys to go get. I'm going to go in with this Revlon Color Stay foundation. It's a really good foundation and it has really good coverage to it. So I'm just going to take a beauty blender and blend that all over my face. So now that our foundation is on, it gave us pretty good coverage. This is only with one layer of that foundation, and I feel like it gave me like medium, almost full coverage. And you can always build up the foundation if you need more. So now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline concealer, and I'm just going to put that under my eye. I'm not going to be highlighting or anything today because this is just like a simple everyday type of look, so we're just being easy as possible. Now I'm going to go in with the Fit Me loose powder, and I'm just going to set that concealer in place. I'm also just going to go ahead and put that on my lids and go ahead and just set my eyelids. Just because we're trying to be time efficient in the morning, so I'm trying to make this as easy and fast. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go in and do my eyebrows, and I'm just going to do really simple. I'm just filling it in, and it's just going to be real quick and easy. And now that I've done my brows, I'm going to go in with this Brow Drama by Maybelline, and it's like a brow gel. It's got some color to it, and I'm just going to go over that just as, and this will take care of later. Anyways, I'm just filling in my brow. I'm such a mess. See, but honestly, I would do this at 5 or 6 in the morning and then I'd get really mad. Now I'm just going to take this L'Oreal True Match loose powder, pressed powder, and I'm going to take this Kabuki brush, and I'm just going to set all that foundation down, because when you're at school going throughout your day, you do not want your makeup sliding everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bronzer brush, and I'm gonna take the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm just gonna bronze up my face just a little bit, just to give us some color and make us look more awake. I just want to, you see the difference? It just gives you something and makes you look more awake. And God knows you're gonna be looking like a zombie walking out the house in the morning, so you're gonna need some color. So now that the bronzer's on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Mauve, and I'm just gonna take that on this little angled brush and just pop that on my cheeks. Now I'm going to get this off, and I'll be right back. So now that that is off, I'm going to highlight my face. I'm gonna use this ColourPop Flexitarian highlight, but first I'm gonna spray my face with the e.l.f. Magic Mist and Set spray. And I'm just gonna take my highlighter brush and I'm going to highlight with this ColourPop. I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Soda Pop palette, and I'm only using like 2 colors, simple, fast. So I'm going to take this shade Ginger Ale, it's right here, and I'm just going to pop that through my crease. Now I'm going to also run that on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this, I'm just going to fold it like that because I forgot my brush. And I'm just running that right underneath my eyes and stabbing myself in the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Tonic. It's up here, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid. Oh, and before we move on, I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna get all that powder from underneath our eye. I'm just gonna take this Physicians Formula eyeliner and I'm just gonna I'm gonna be really close to my lash line and just line the top of my eye. So now that eyeliner's on, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Volumizing Mascara. I'm going to just go ahead and go in with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's in the shade London, and it's a super pretty nude color, and it'll go with pretty much any outfit. So now that we're done with everything, I'm going to set it in place with that e.l.f. setting spray. And guys, this is the finished makeup look. I thought that it was really simple and really easy, and it'll go with any outfit, and you can do as much more or as much less as you want to. You do not have to do this every single day. It can be for a special occasion, it can be for every day. You can do a wing if you want to, you can do a red lipstick if you want to, it doesn't matter. You just put as much makeup on as you're comfortable with at school. Don't wear it like you're so beautiful without it, so you don't even have to wear it. Also, I get so many questions anytime that I post a picture with my hair like this, big and curly, and yesterday it was a lot more big, but today it kind of flattened out, which I really like because I would literally I will go out the door just like this. But if you want like a tutorial on how I get my hair like this, I'll be more than happy to do it. Comment down below that you want it, because I get a lot of questions about like what do I use and how do I do it and things like that. So I would definitely film that if you guys want to see that. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you can also comment down below and just let me know what you want to see next. And I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.